So let's start with the extraction of zinc. The main ore of zinc is zinc blende, which is sulfite ore ZnS. So its name is zinc blende. Now this is a sulfite ore, so it is concentrated by froth flotation method. So as you know, the very first step in any metallurgy is concentration. So it is concentrated by froth flotation method. And by this method, the impurities will be removed from here, and next step, it is subjected to roasting. The sulfite ore is heated in presence of air or oxygen, and we get oxide. So this in roasting, the ore is converted into zinc oxide. And there is one more ore of zinc, which is called calamine. And this is zinc carbonate, and carbonates are subjected to mainly calcination. So calcination is heating of ore in absence of air. So by heating in absence of air, we get zinc oxide with the liberation of CO2. So whether roasting is done or calcination, the ore is to be converted into oxide form, because from oxide the metal can be isolated by reduction. So last step is reduction. Here ZnO is reduced with coke to get Zn plus CO. And here coke is the reducing agent. This you have to learn. Coke is the reducing agent, and the temperature is quite high, 1673 Kelvin, and this way we get zinc. And so these are the steps for the extraction of zinc from this important ore, zinc blende or calamine. Extraction of aluminium. Now this aluminium is a very reactive metal, so it is extracted by the process of electrometallurgy. In electrometallurgy, the fused salt of the metal to be extracted is taken, and it is subjected to electrolysis. And here the this process here, when for very reactive metals, we use this process called electrometallurgy. And this, in case of aluminium, the ore after concentration is called alumina, Al2O3, and it is taken in the fused state here in the molten form in this big iron tank. Now this alumina is a poor conductor of electricity, and also its melting point is very high. So it is mixed with this compound Na3Al(F6), which is called, this is Na3Al(F6), and this is called cryolite. Cryolite it is called, and plus also little fluorspar is also added, CaF2. This is fluorspar. And the purpose of this adding mainly cryolite, and this fluorspar is also added, but mainly this cryolite is added, and the purpose of adding this cryolite is to lower the melting point of this mixture. And also this, by the addition of these two, this mixture is a good conductor of electricity. And here the melting point gets lowered to about 1140 Kelvin. So here during this process of electrometallurgy, this anode is taken. Anode is made up of carbon rods, and this carbon lining acts as cathode. And the reactions which take place, they are Al2O3 on passing electricity. It gives aluminium ions plus O2 negative ion. So this will be like this. Now at cathode we get aluminium metal. So at cathode, aluminium 3 positive, they gain 3 electron and form Al. So here in electrometallurgy, electrons are the reducing agent here, and we get aluminium at cathode. So here molten aluminium, it forms a layer here, and this is an outlet for aluminium. And at anode O2 negative loses 2 electrons to form O. And since O can't exist as such, it is reactive, so we get 2 times this O2, and here we, in place of 2 electrons, we can write down 4 electrons. So this reaction takes place, oxygen is formed at the anode, and here oxygen can combine with carbon also, this anode, and form CO2 and CO, so this anode has to be replaced after some time. So here we get aluminium at cathode. Now let's do some previous year CBSE questions. First question is, what are the chief forces of zinc? Write chemical reactions taking place in the extraction of zinc from zinc blende. So this question you can easily do because you have just read about the extraction of zinc. So you can write down from zinc blende all the reactions involved in roasting and also in reduction. Next question, what is the role of cryolite in the extraction of aluminium? This question also you can easily do because here also answer is written here. Purified alumina is mixed with cryolite, which lowers the melting point of the electrolyte and also increase its conductivity. Next question, which reducing agent is employed to get copper from the leached low-grade copper ore? The answer is scrap iron or hydrogen. Next question, write the role of graphite rod in the electrometallurgy of aluminium. अब aluminium की metallurgy में graphite का क्या role है? Graphite acts as anode. You know, in graphite rods are used as anode. और जो oxygen liberate होती है during the reaction, that also reacts with graphite to form CO2 and CO. अब जो oxygen जो है वो ग्रेफाइट के साथ रिएक्ट हो जाएगी और फिर जो है इस तरह जो है एनोड पे जो ऑक्सीजन की लिबरेशन जब नहीं होगी और तो इस तरह से एल्यूमिनियम मेटल भी जो है दैट इज़ आल्सो प्रिवेंटेड फ्रॉम बीइंग ऑक्सीडाइज्ड टू Al2O3. Question number 5th. How is copper extracted from a low grade ore of it? अभी पहले भी आपने इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन सिमिलर क्वेश्चन पढ़ा ऐसे यही वाला. सो आंसर इज अगेन रिटन हियर. कॉपर इज एक्सट्रैक्टेड बाय हाइड्रोमेटलर्जी फ्रॉम लो ग्रेड ओर्स. इट इज लीच्ड आउट यूजिंग एसिड. The solution containing Cu2 positive is treated with scrap iron or hydrogen. So इस तरह से आप रिएक्शन भी लिख सकते हो. Cu2 positive plus hydrogen gives copper plus 2H positive. So इस तरह कॉपर जो है हमें मिलेगा from low grade ore of copper. Sixth question, which method is employed for extracting copper from low grade ores and scraps? Same question है, so you can answer it easily. तो ये सारे क्वेश्चंस करके आपको आइडिया हो जाएगा कि किस तरह के क्वेश्चन जो हैं वो प्रीवियस ईयर्स में जो हैं वो पूछे गए हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7th is describe the role of cryolite in the extraction of aluminium from pure alumina. अगेन 8th सेम सिमिलर क्वेश्चन आप देख सकते हो 2009 में पूछा हुआ ये क्वेश्चन और ये भी 2009 में है. क्रायोलाइट का रोल ही पूछा है. एलुमिना इज डिसॉल्व्ड इन क्रायोलाइट फॉर इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस इंस्टेड ऑफ बीइंग इलेक्ट्रोलाइट डायरेक्टली. सो ये काफ़ी एक्सपेक्टेड क्वेश्चन है ये वाला. नेक्स्ट 9th, विच ऑफ द टू स्क्रैप्स जिंक और आयरन वुड बी प्रिफर्ड फॉर द रिकवरी ऑफ कॉपर फ्रॉम द लीच्ड कॉपर ओर एंड वाई? The answer is zinc scrap should be preferred because zinc is more electropositive than iron. But zinc is costlier metal than iron, so using iron scraps will be preferred. तो ये भी काफ़ी बार क्वेश्चन इस टाइप का आपने देखा जैसे 2009 में यही क्वेश्चन पूछा गया. सो इस बारे में आप ध्यान से पढ़ लेंगे. 10th question, get all the reactions involved in the extraction of aluminium from bauxite ore. तो ये आप इजीली कर सकते हो ये लर्न करके। जैसे सबसे पहले तो बॉक्साइट को कंसनट्रेट करते हैं, ठीक है, बाय लीचिंग प्रोसेस। उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रोमेटलर्जी की रिएक्शंस लिख सकते हो आप। सो नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाई इज इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिडक्शन प्रेफर्ड ओवर केमिकल रिडक्शन फॉर द आइसोलेशन ऑफ सर्टन मेटल्स। जो बहुत हाईली रिएक्टिव मेटल्स हैं तो उनका केमिकल रिडक्शन जो है पॉसिबल नहीं होता, और उनके लिए इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस का मेथड जो है वो यूज़ करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रोपॉजिटिव मेटल्स विच कैन नॉट बी रिड्यूस्ड बाय केमिकल रिडक्शन आर इजीली रिड्यूस्ड इलेक्ट्रोलिटिकली। How is chemical reduction different from electrolytic reduction? Name a metal each which is obtained by electrolytic reduction and chemical reduction. In chemical reduction, metal is obtained by reduction of its ore by a suitable reducing agent. तो केमिकल रिडक्शन में क्या होता है, एक सुटेबल रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट यूज़ किया जाता है, जैसे कोक यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कार्बन मोनोऑक्साइड यूज़ कर सकते हैं, उस तरह को उस टाइप का जो रिडक्शन है दैट इज़ कॉल्ड केमिकल रिडक्शन। Whereas in electrolytic reduction, reduction is carried out by passing electric current through molten ore. तो इलेक्ट्रोलिटिक रिडक्शन का एग्जांपल है एल्यूमिनियम, और केमिकल रिडक्शन का एग्जांपल आप आयरन दे सकते हो, ठीक है। अब क्वेश्चंस तो काफ़ी सारे आपको मतलब पढ़ लिया आपने, लेकिन हम कोई भी क्वेश्चन ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते कि ये पर्टिकुलर ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है या ये कम इंपॉर्टेंट है। आपको सब कुछ ही पढ़ना है, ठीक है, आपको डिटेल में सारे कंसेप्ट्स लर्न करने हैं। लेकिन क्वेश्चंस देख के आपको थोड़ा सा प्लानिंग हो जाती है, आपको आइडिया हो जाता है किस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस जो हैं वो एग्ज़ाम में आपसे जनरली जो है वो पूछ जाते हैं, ठीक है। दैट्स ऑल, थैंक यू।